I'm coming. All right, you've been all excited about the PowerEgg-X drone giveaway. Well, we're going to go to Computer Steve, who is going to randomly pick some lucky winner. Here we go. Hey everyone, this is Computer Steve, and it's time to pick the winner. So the time right now, as I'm about to pick the winner, let me stop hitting all these buttons. There we go, 11:47, that's the time. So let's go back to my website. Here was the video, Win Me Drone Giveaway over here, and I've got all these tabs ready to go. All right, question number 1. What country do you live in? Well, you can't get that wrong unless you write something goofy. What is your first name? I have no idea. You know it better than I, so whatever name you put, that's what I'm going to call you. Next, we go to question number 3. Watch the PowerEgg-X video and stop it at 19 seconds. What is on top of the fridge? And it should be right here. That is, the video is, that's not it. So you would start the video with this, but I already have it queued up. There we go, 19 seconds down here, and you can see up here, it looks like some little flower watering container or whatever. If you have anything along those lines, then I will say it's correct. Let's go back to the questions. All right, so question number 4. If you use the PowerEgg-X as a handheld camera, how long will the battery last before it needs to be recharged? Where did I put the answer for that one? It's not that. Over here, 3.5 hours total time. However, if you check the specs, it says right over here, where am I? It should say 4 hours. I have it on here someplace. It's probably right in front of me. There it is, working time. It says if you're in AI camera mode, working time is 4 hours right here. So 3.5 hours or 4 hours, either of those answers will be accepted. Let's go back to the questions. What's the next one? Here we go. Question number 5. What is the wind resistance of the PowerEgg-X? The answer can be in knots, miles, or kilometers. So it's up to you, whatever you want to put the answer in. So let's pop over here to, where did I put the answer for that? So if you scroll down this way, let's see, am I doing this correct? There we go. Whoa, too far. So if you scroll this way, it tells you right here, right at the bottom, says right here, 20 knot wind resistance, 10 meters per second. If you go to the specs as well, let's see, if I go to the specs, and if I go down to drone mode right here, it's going to say max wind speed resistance is a level 5. I have no idea what level 5 means, so use the other one. So the answer is accepted. Here I have 20 knots, and if I convert it to kilometers per hour, it works out to 37.04. So 37 anywhere around there is correct. And if I convert that to miles per hour, there we go, to be 23 miles per hour, something like that. So those are all the correct answers. All right, let's go grab the URL up here, copy that, go over to the random comment picker, put the URL in here, and load the comments. And let's see, down here it should give me all the good stuff. How many likes, views, comments, channel name, video name. I think it populates them all. Let's see what happens. There we go, so we're ready. We have comments, 4,988 comments that it's picked. That's how many likes. So I'm gonna click this pick a winner, but before I do that, let me just make it larger. All right, let's just align this on my screen so we can all see it. And I'm gonna click the winner, and it's gonna come really fast. 3, 2, 1, here we go. And the winner is Nicole Auger. In Canada, we say Auger. Maybe in the United States, we say Auger. I'm not really sure. So let's see. She's from United States. Her first name is Nicole. She did pick a watering can, which is correct. 3.5 hours is perfect, and 20 knots wind resistance. Thank you for the chance to win. Well, thank you, Nicole. You are now a proud owner of a PowerEgg-X Wizard Edition. I will get your details soon. And right now, back to Steve sitting on a chair. Thank you, Computer Steve. Now, for everyone watching, I have 2 pieces of good news for you. So even though you didn't win, I still have some good news. Before I get to that, Nicole, please send me an email at this address here, and I will confirm you are the correct Nicole, and then we'll get all your details and we'll ship you out a PowerEgg-X Wizard Kit. And now for everyone else watching, I have 2 pieces of good news for you. One is that you didn't win this drone, but I will be giving away another drone at 150,000 subscribers. Where's that thing? So when that gets up to 150,000, I'm giving away another drone. And yes, it will be an expensive drone again. And the second piece of good news is that you can get your own PowerEgg-X, where's this one? A Wizard Kit. All of this stuff here at a reduced cost. Yes, 10 of you can get this kit at a reduced cost, and it works like this. All you have to do is go on the PowerVision website and you just order yourself this here PowerEgg-X and the Wizard Kit, and by inserting this code here, you will save $100 US. Yes, $100 US will be taken off the total price if you use that code. Only 10 of you can use that code, so obviously it's first come, first served. So if you were even thinking of buying this here drone and the Wizard Kit, well then go buy it now. put that code in and you will get $100 US off the total price. At least 10 of you will. And it's only good until June 30th of this year. So if you try to use it after June 30th watching this video, it's not going to work. So to sum up, thank you to all of you for participating in this contest. Another contest coming in the future. Please participate again because your chances are, well, as good as anybody else's. And a big thank you to PowerVision. So that does it for me. I'm out of here. I'm going to go enjoy the weekend and I'll catch you in the future with more drone RC videos. Take care.